What's going on, YouTube? Welcome to my channel, Money Moves with K. I am K, and today we're going to talk about secret auction websites to find cargo trailers that you can convert into a camper. I love talking about conversions and finding unorthodox opportunities such as a cargo trailer and trying to turn it or convert it into a living space or home on wheels or a bed on wheels, right? So what I want to do is go over these three websites. I'm not going to waste too much time. Let's get into it. The first website I'm going to talk about is a website called Proxibid. Now, Proxibid, I've discussed this website in the past before, but I did not cover cargo trailers as an option. So here we go. Mind you, all of these are the starting bid. This is not the ending bid. However, a lot of people don't even know about Proxibid as a website. So you are getting the firsthand knowledge of a website that most people don't even know about, okay? So, and mind you, you can not only convert these cargo trailers, and I'll show you some pictures of someone or folks who have converted these cargo trailers into a living space, but you can also flip them. If you purchase a cargo trailer for let's say $200, and you can flip it yourself and resell it for, $500-$600 or whatever the case may be, right? So let's take a look. We have this one for $500 as an example. It still has 11 days on the bid, right? So it's not the final bid, of course, but I do like to discuss all of our options. So this one, and you need to look at the condition. This one looks like it's in not the best condition. It has, it was used for landscaping. Another thing you need to check and see what it was actually used for before you try to convert anything. What was held or stored inside the cargo trailer is very, very important. So this might not be a good deal just because of what was stored and what we're trying to do with the trailer, especially because it's $500 so far with the bid. And I think we could find a better deal, better situation. So let's click this one. This is $110 so far. We know that the bid will continue to increase. It has 23 hours left, but this is a cargo trailer. It could have been something. Okay. They already have some cabinets in here. Let's see. Now, one of the things that could be a concern for folks is ventilation, right? So a lot of these do have windows. You can put AC units in here. You can do similar things that you would do inside of a tiny home or an actual home, right? And I'll show you, so hang tight with me so we can get to the part where I show you exactly the creative minds who have already done this, okay? So this is not a new idea. Many folks have thought outside of the box as we talk about a box. And really created something very unique and cool. All right, let's check this one out. This is 2,700. Okay, you definitely want to check out the condition. This is a big one too. They have a lot of pictures. Let's see. All right, here we go. Inside. They may even have a sink in here. Let me see. Okay. This is a big cargo trailer with tons of space. They have some cabinets already installed. Some of these cargo trailers, people have placed a little kitchen inside, a toilet, all of the above. So you get the idea. This is Proxibid. You can go on and on and on. Make sure you look at the, let me check on this one again. All the information for the bid. Make sure you know how much they are charging you. It's the internet premium of 13% for this one. And where it's located. Can you actually go physically get it yourself? They're not going to deliver it for the most part. From what I know, they're not going to deliver it to you. You have to go get it. But the cool part is that you can haul this. Now, you have to also ensure that your car or truck or whatever vehicle that you have can actually haul whatever cargo trailer that you purchase, which means that you need to know the weight of the cargo trailer. Very important, all right? So that's Proxibid. Let me show you one more or a couple more. This website is called HighBid.com. I'll put it below on the screen, HighBid.com. And they have some cargo trailers as well. This one looks pretty cool on the outside. Let's see. On the interior, you need to look at the wheels and make sure they're in good condition. Okay, so this is all gutted out. It's really looking like it's supposed to look. This is how it's supposed to look inside. This actually looks brand new, if I'm not mistaken, okay? So there's a bid here. Let's go back and check out some more. And by the way, in the search engine, the search bar, all I'm putting is cargo trailer, and it's pulling it right up for me, okay? So this one has a reserve that is not met. Okay, let's see. Okay, so they have a door right here. Do you see the possibilities? And I'm about to show you, watch this. Do you see the possibilities that could happen with this? You can use this as additional, just additional space to travel with your family, right? It just depends on the situation. So let's check quickly on folks who have actually done something like this, okay? So this is a website. I think this is like a blog. Somebody blogged their experience of turning a cargo trailer into a living space. So let's see what they did with it. This is the cargo trailer that they use, and let's see the magic that they worked up, all right? So they drew like a little floor plan. In her floor plan, you can see she has a shower. Come on now, guys. She has a shower in a cargo trailer, a sink, a window. Yes, you may want a window because it's just a box, right? So here we go. So this is her cargo trailer. And before she started, boom, now she's starting. That already looks good. Like it's looking like something. It's forming into something, some living space, right? And I can already tell you that that's going to be the platform for her bed, okay? But let's see some more pictures. Boom. She got the bed up. This is so cool. She has a bed. All right, cool. Let's see. And she has some flooring. It's already taken shape into looking like something very, very fantastic, okay? I love these little unique living spaces, and this is one of them for sure. You have a window. And I'm just scrolling down quickly just so you can get the idea of what the possibilities are. She is framing for something special right here. As you can see, let me scroll down just a little bit more and I will show you. Boom! Looks like a sink will go here. It's like, there you go, boom. So this is just one corner of her space, right? The cargo trailer that she is converting. And this, let me scroll down just a little bit more. You have, looks like butcher block countertop. I could be wrong. She has a sink. It's beautiful. Like, it's fantastic. This is a living space. This is fantastic. Look at the almost like corrugated I don't know what this is, but this design at the top is it's taking shape to look for like a farmhouse design, so to speak. I really like it. All right, so that's one person. Let me check out another person. This person looks like they had a smaller cargo trailer and they utilized their space to the max. Here we go. So this person has little storage here for her items. This is the back of the cargo trailer. Let's take a look inside of the cargo trailer. Boom. So remember, that's the back of the cargo trailer. She has like a little table right here. She or he, I don't know who created this one. And they can put, I'm assuming this will flatten out. A lot of times the shelving at the bottom will come out, could be a stand or create a platform in which this turns into a bed, and she just puts these right here in this space. And now you have pretty much a full-size bed within the cargo trailer. Now I do see the usage of her space. This is, or their space, this is a sink. That's awesome. That is so cool. This is a sink. This is like a little, looks like the window. And you get my drift. All right, you get my drift. So yeah, those are opportunities for you to change a cargo trailer into a camper or a living situation for that matter. Okay, I got one more website. Make sure you check out auctiontime.com. Now, auctiontime.com seems like a third party. They will direct you to other auction websites, but it's a really good one as well. So let's see. And let me say this too. My aunt, she actually took a cargo trailer and she converted it into a mobile sports bar. So she serves drinks out of her bar. Really cool, right? She has everything, all the paperwork, all of that, right? And she's making really good money off of it. Now, why do I mention that? I mention that because don't just think about living space. Yes, it could be a living space, but also think about how could you capitalize off of something that you get off of an auction for an inexpensive price, okay? And you can convert it into whatever it is that you want to convert it into that'll make you money. So my channel is about real estate, but it's also about thinking outside of what the norm is and really trying to make money off of that, okay? So keep that in mind. So that's equipment facts, the possibilities, a food truck. You can use this for a food truck. The list goes on, guys. The point is, I'm showing you where exactly to find the good deals, okay? These are the auction sites to find cargo trailers that you can convert into a camper or anything for that matter to make some money as well. That's the end of my video. Thank you so very much. In the comment section, put cargo trailer. It allows me to know you made it this far in the video, and I truly do appreciate it. Thank you so much. Until next time, guys, you stay blessed. Peace.